In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this error in pivot table in Google Sheets, that whenever you are trying to generate some kind of report, it shows you this error that this pivot table is trying to produce too many columns. Make it smaller by adjusting the column breakouts or filtering the source data. So you don't exactly understand this. Let me just brief this for you, because that might be the issue that you might be facing. So if we clear this all filters, let's say that we are generating a month-wise sales report. So for months, we want the dates to appear in the rows, right? But these rows are all dates daily and not monthly. So we want to group this first. Just right click on it and click on create pivot date group. We have a lot of groups here, but we want to do it with month-wise group. And then we have sales. We want to just generate month-wise sales. At this stage, you might be thinking that sales should be in the columns. But as soon as we do it, it's showing us an error. Why is that? Because if you just want the month-wise sales report, the sales should come in the values and not in the columns. Columns will be separately created for each separate sales amount. But what we want to generate is the total in each month. So sales amount should come in values instead of columns. That's the only issue you might be facing. And after that, your error should be resolved. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.